Welcome to a very short but effective movement session if we bring all of our attention, all of our focus into each and every movement. Let's begin. Cross your arms over your body. Reach them way back. Move your body back and forth like a wave in the sea. This is an invitation to just move in whichever way works for you today. I encourage you to get outside, to connect to nature. It's why I do these movement sessions outdoors, to not only encourage you to move your body in new, possibly dynamic ways as we just reach across, shift your weight from side to side. Movement really is medicine, but so is nature. And if we can combine the two, oh my, the possibilities for our physical health, but particularly our mental health, are extraordinary. Bring your legs together, reach your arms underneath, reach up top. Arms come underneath, reach up nice and high. Bend down. Way up high. Feel that in the lower back. Oh, yes. Building that incredible back health that truly does make this existence extraordinary. If you've suffered with back pain like I have, oh, you know the difference. Oh, there's just so many things we can do to promote physical health, and light, gentle movements done consistently can do wonders for us. And if we can get outside and do them, oh my, yes. Okay, let's step and bend. Tap that toe. Do your very best. Move with a little bit of pace. Increase our cardiovascular endurance. They say 15 minutes in nature can lower cortisol levels, that stress hormone. I suspect if there's some movement involved, that amount of time might decrease. So if you have a lunch break or just a few minutes to step outside and move your body, it really can reduce some of that stress and anxiety that we all carry with us. It's just a part of life. Nicely done. Okay, I'd like to, real big backstroke and begin to look behind you. I'm giggling because I didn't notice before, but as I turn and look, there's a beautiful half moon there. We have a lot of cloud coverage this time of year, and we get to see the moon. You might even see the sun setting behind me as well. It is extra special. It's these little things like that. We get outside. Never know what we're gonna see. Okay, one more to each side. Let's open up real big. Similar to the way we started, how does the back feel now? When you bend down. Already feeling a little looser? Do you feel a little stronger? Yeah, nice. Oh, just that last one there. Brilliant. Shake it out for a minute. Tap your heel out and see if you can't touch your toe. Maybe you can touch your shin or your knee or your thigh. Doesn't matter. Wherever you're at. It's beautiful. Some days you feel a little bit more bendy than others. Mood and energy. These movements for getting outside really does, can ever change our mood and our energy levels. We get caught in scrolling on our phones or devices too long. Mother Nature and movement really do seem to offer us some amazing benefits and relief. Yeah. Okay. Well done. Come to the edge of your chair, your bench. Maybe you're standing. That's fine. Just a couple to the side, to the front, and then up. Forward for a couple, to the side, and up. Head up high. Again, just this bird just chilling right in front of me. It's working. It is working. Oh, movement, nature. There's nothing it can't do. Yeah. Ooh. Last one here. Brilliant. You got it. Okay, march. Now that we're feeling good, let's finish with this. Sit up tall. It's a million places that person could have walked. Had to come right here. I love it. I love people. And all their differences. Let's go. Twist a little bit. Reach that hand across. Get that knee up as much as you can. As we get close to finishing off this session, I do encourage just a little bit of outside time, especially when the weather's not great. No bad weather, just bad clothing. As you know, get outside, embrace it all, and see how much better you feel. 3, 2, 1. That's it for today. Just one brief moment. Pick something. Can you see the sun behind me? Can you use that as your focal point? Laser-like attention. Watch the monkey mind. Bring your attention back to this moment. And let's just be for 15 seconds or so. Pick one spot. Traktika in Sanskrit. A beautiful, one-pointed, visual focused attention meditation. Let's go. Do you feel better? Let me know. Continue to comment, inspire others to move their body. I love it. Let's keep doing this. See you again tomorrow. Thank you. Goodbye.